So what exactly the artificial intelligence means for the most populous country on this planet? To discuss this issue, I am being joined by Dr. Kanishk Gaur, founder of the India Future Foundation, a young tech entrepreneur. And also I am being joined by Abhishek Singh, Additional Secretary and CEO of the India AI Mission. Welcome to both of you. And my first question to you, Abhishek ji, about the India AI Impact Summit. India is hosting the world's biggest Mahakumbh of AI of 2026 in terms of the artificial intelligence. How exactly will this ensure that the global south stop being just the buyer of AI or technology and start owning the future technologies?
See, like it's puts things in perspective. Like, of course, the technology has been developed by the West and being like diffusion is happening. But what we need to do is that in order to make models more fair and unbiased, we need to ensure that they are trained on data sets that are diverse, data sets that are from the global majority, the countries of global south. There are applications, there are models which are trained in, I mean, various cultural contexts. So it's very, very important that the global south, where the most of the users are is represented in the data sets on which the models are trained. Number two, when the problem that we are solving using AI should be solving the problems of the global south, the challenges that we face, especially in democracy, that needs to be addressed. So what India is trying to do is that a technology which is actually controlled by a few companies and a few countries, we're trying to put the global south, a country like India, at the center stage. We do believe that, especially us, India has a lot of advantage when it comes to development of this technology, especially in terms of talent. And how do we ensure the other elements which are required, like especially the high cost compute? How can we ensure and democratize access to compute, build access to data sets, and ensure that Indian researchers and researchers from global south also have a level playing field when it comes to competing with the best in the world.
Uh, Abhishek ji, we also have Kanishk with us. Kanishk, my question to you is that, how will you turn the summit into the launchpad for the massive AI adoption in the key sectors of Indian economy? How we can implement those things to make this AI more workable for the farming, healthcare, and the education sector, which are the key drivers and the key areas of concern for the Indian economy?
See, in terms of the platform which Abhishek Singh ji and the India AI team has set up for us, now is the time and the opportunity to make best use of it. With vast number of young entrepreneurs and tech available, it's the right time to have the right level of AI skilling in every workforce, whether it is human resource, finance, outsourcing, offshoring. Mind you, India is also the hub for GCCs, and you will see a lot of AI development happening in those GCCs to require workforce. And India has the youngest population in the world right now. So, how do we get our population to be trained on using AI for doing good development and make AI safe and trustable is really the key. If you go to the AI summit, you will find so many use cases. I met companies who are making robotics. I have seen companies building out use cases for AI in healthcare. I have seen companies making AI workforce efficiency more productive. So the opportunity is huge. Now, with this summit, what AI team is bringing is enormous amount of capital and funding by bringing in tech giants. We are seeing a large number of venture capitalists come to India, and I have never seen this erstwhile in my life so far. So many tech leaders, entrepreneurs who are coming to India for this AI summit. So kudos to Abhishek ji and his team. Just not one name. There are 20, 30, 40 plus names.
You made a very
And you
important
will
point,
only see
Kanishk,
them.
here, but I would want the response from Abhishek ji on this issue. Abhishek ji, the world keeps saying that the AI is a job killer. India is a country with 1.4 billion people and a massive young workforce. How do we flip that fear into an opportunity? There are many issues which are being, and projects being implemented by the India AI mission. But what are the fears, and how are you going to assure this young population that this AI technique is actually, can ensure the Rozgar guarantee for everyone?
See, the way technology evolves, whenever a new technology comes in, right from the time of automobiles to mobile phones to internet, well, there are some jobs that get impacted. Some jobs do become obsolete, but there are a lot of new opportunities that come in, and that's how economic development, that's how evolution takes place. So what I foresee is that yes, there will be some routine jobs like entry level coding jobs and debugging jobs or content writing, those jobs will get adversely impacted. But the value that will be created by using the AI tools in doing software programming, doing writing, doing agentic AI, providing AI transformation services, enabling edge AI, building applications in robotics, ensuring physical AI, autonomous vehicles. So there will be opportunities that will be immense. So what is will be required is to take advantage of these opportunities, especially for the young and those who are entering the job market. It will be essential to acquire AI skills. So one thing we need to remember, AI will not take away any jobs. People with AI skills will take away the jobs for people without AI skills. So we need to focus a lot on our curriculum upgradation, ensuring that from students of school to college to universities, and here we are not
Absolutely.
talking of only
This
science
is
and engineering
actually a very
students.
big assurance, Abhishek ji, from coming from you, coming from the government, that AI can actually ensure jobs for many, and especially for the youth of India. Thank you very much, Abhishek ji, for joining on this show. And also thank you, Kanishk, you too, for sharing
I
your
just
thoughts
want
on
to
this
make
show.
one point.